Want to delete all the game data in Rise of Castles but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to clear your game cache in Rise of Castles. So without any further ado, let's get started. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see arrow icon, tap on it. Now select settings from here. Now click on the options button. After that, scroll down to clear your game cache. Below it, there is clear option, tap on it. If you are sure that you want to clear game cache, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can clear your game cache in Rise of Castles. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.